Welcome back, everyone. I want to show you real quick how to put this thing together. This is the base plate. Just real quick, we're in standard inch IPT. That's what we're into here. Start 2D sketch. I'll grab the XY plane and excuse me. But I would just take off, draw this out, extrude it out. So real quick, come up here. Looks like 1.5. Shoot over this way 1/2 of an inch. Come down and 1 inch, because that middle is 1/2 of an inch as well. So I zoom out here and get my line to catch this point. I want to shoot it across. It's going to go all the way to 7 inches, but I need to cut a little short so that I can come down here. So 7 minus 1/2, because that is a 1/2 inch wide, would be 6.5. And then it looks like overall the whole thing's 2.5. You all see that 2.5 minus 1.5 would leave you with this. So it would leave you with 1. Come over 1/2 of an inch straight up. And actually I could just line it up here if I wanted to. Just like that, and tag them together. Looks right. And then I will just go ahead and extrude that. The whole thing is 3 inches wide. And we're ready to put in the rest of the stuff. So pretty simple little part here that we're doing. This is in your textbook. So shoot across here. I just found the center, and looks like that's a 1.75 diameter, and we've got to find the dimension of it, which would be 7 divided by 2, 3.5 right in the center. And we've got some other holes here, so I'm going to put some points on here. I'm hoping that it'll catch it okay like this. If I do them on the same sketch, it's worth a shot, okay? So we know they're vertically, they're fine. We just got to dimension them out horizontally. So I go from that to here. If you notice, it's 1 3/4. I'll grab this one to this one, 1 3/4. Finish it out, and I'm just going to do an extrude, cut, all, and I was hoping that it would let me have kept those points on there after I'd done the extrusion, but it didn't, and that's okay too. We'll just have to do it again. So put your points back in there. We'll do it again. Get it lined up. There to there. Oh, didn't mean to do that. There to there. 1.75. Looks good. I want to delete that little point off there. Looks great. Let's finish the sketch out. We're going to use our hole command right here, modify hole. It automatically picked up on those 2 points. You all see that. And this is a threaded hole. This is 2 times, both sides. It is a 3/8 inch diameter hole that's been threaded. 24 inches threads per inch. Unified National Fine 2B is the fit, and it is an internal thread. So we come over here. You want to do a tapped hole, okay? And the seat of it, this one doesn't. It's just flush. It just thread it into it. That's fine. And then come down here. This is where you're going to get it at. This is going to be your 3/8.375. And this one is a fine thread. This is a coarse. So we go find our 24 UNF. There it is. 2B is the class fit. And it's internal thread through all. And then OK. And if you zoom in here, you can see it. There it is. All right, then just real quick, start your new sketch. Put you a couple holes in this thing, and they are 1/2 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch, so all that should be good shape. Now let's get them vertically fixed at 1/2 of an inch. Perfect. Now we'll see something real quick. Yeah, why not? I should have done that a little bit different, but that's okay. I want to go ahead and just extrude this. Through all. Y'all see what I did? Make sure you hit cut. Through all. Okay. So now I want to do the same thing and start me a sketch right up here. I can actually line it right up like that, and that will help me. I was hoping it would follow in line with that, but it's okay. See if it'll do this one. Nope, that's all right. And I put the wrong diameter. So real quick, we'll go in here and we'll get all this stuff sorted out. It'll take just a second or two. Okay, finish it out. Extrude. We're going to do a cut all the way through. Okay, so there's that part finished up. Again, and it doesn't have a material on it. Also, though, there is a fillet, and I see it now there on this corner and up underneath that corner. So let's go ahead and let's put a fillet in there. And the fillets are 1/8 of an inch, so that's 0.125, so that's great. It's already set. So I click on those. Okay, the part is done and ready to go. So if y'all have any problems with this, just let me know.